welcome back to another BABEMAS. If this is your first time on my channel, I welcome you to the Blessed Babe fam. So go ahead and subscribe. I mean, if you like me, if you want to subscribe. Hit the like button and leave a comment down below, hashtag BABEMAS. Let me know that you're here. So today, as you can see, I've got my cute little apron on and my cute headband with the little snowman. Can you guys see that? So cute. So I'm gonna be making pigs in the blanket for the very first time. Yeah, I've never made it, but I had a taste for it. Tonight is the Ravens game, and I was like, you know what? I just want to cook up something cute, a cute little snack. So I've got a whole big old pack of hot dogs. I guess we're just gonna be like experimenting on this together. So I've got some Pillsbury Doughboy croissants that I'm gonna start with. So I guess we'll go ahead and pop this open. Oh. Wait a minute. I gotta peel first. Reading is fundamental, okay? I should have known that. So start here. So how was you guys' day today? Y'all know I like to make sure y'all watching. So if you're watching right now, type in all caps Pillsbury. Let me know that you're here. I think I messed up because it stopped peeling. So, oh, there we go. Okay. Now I'm gonna just pop it open. Still no pop. Pop? Oh! And we popped. Look at that baby there. We're just gonna open it up. See, for reasons like this, I wish I had cameramen because how am I supposed to show y'all everything I'm doing? I mean, unless y'all just don't want to see my face. Oh, speaking of, if you watched yesterday's Vlogmas, you know that I got a facial yesterday, which is why I don't have any makeup on today because I'm still letting my skin breathe. I'm gonna let it breathe for the next few days. It's feeling super soft. It's glowing, moisturized, so yeah. If you didn't see that vlog, then head over to my channel and watch day 7 so you can see my very first facial. All right, so now we've got the roll. I'm just gonna unroll it. Okay, so I saw in a video someone cut the one croissant into 3 pieces, 3 really slim pieces. So you know it's one big triangle, but I'm cutting that triangle into 3 little tinier triangles. Now I'm taking one hot dog and I'm going to cut that hot dog into 3s. So 1, 2, 3. So I'm taking one of those pieces of the croissant and I'm gonna start at the thickest side and just start rolling. Keep in mind, y'all, this is my first time, okay? Look now. But I'm just gonna start rolling till I get to the tip of the croissant. So yeah, it wasn't that hard actually. Look how cute. Look how cute and little. I can't wait to see what it turns out like. And then I'm just gonna keep on going until I run out of croissants. Okay, so I guess I'm doing pretty well. I just dusted a little bit of like brushed a little bit of egg on top of some of them. Don't ask me why. Actually, why I did that is because I saw somebody on YouTube do it. So she didn't really explain what the egg did, so whatever, just tried it out. But I only put it on some and not the others, just so when I put it in the oven I can compare. So I did preheat the oven for 375 and I'm gonna bake them for about 14 minutes. Why? Because someone on YouTube said so. YouTube University. So let's go, let's pop them in the oven. and they are all done. Oh my god, don't they look so good? And they smell amazing. So what do you say? Let's give it a taste. The game is not for another hour. This was really quick. This was quicker than I thought. I sat down like an hour and a half earlier just because I wanted to like get it done and prepared, but I didn't expect it to go this quick. So yeah, let's just test. They're a little hot. Y'all know I like my food hot though, so let's try one out. I don't know how people be. Oh my god, you probably can't see it, but there's like literally smoke coming out. They're really good. Okay. Who's having a party? Invite me so I can make these. It's like I'm just. Yeah, so they're really good. I can't wait to see how everyone else likes them tonight. I'm proud of myself. I hope you enjoyed this really quick video for day 8 of BABEMAS. And if you did, just don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Like, stop acting scared to comment and act like you're not here. Y'all know y'all be watching me. It's like, I love you guys so much. I'll see you tomorrow for day 9 of BABEMAS.